Hey, I'm gonna do a little driving of my Madstorm RC, and then I'm going to review it with my friend Kainoa, and yeah, we'll go from there. He's 138 pounds and we're gonna pull him. Hi, this is my Madstorm. Yeah, I just showed you a little running video of it. So here's our point of view on it. Yeah, it's a good car. Put a little GoPro mount on it. Like it starts off really slow, but really powerful. Like it towed him.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a .28 engine, 150cc fuel tank. And big wheels. I don't even know how much. Came with this radio. I mean, like transmitter, whatever. I don't care.
It has oil-filled shocks.
Yeah, oil-filled shocks.
That we're repairing right now.
Yeah. So see, this one we broke, so all the oil's out of it. And this
our shock tower broke.
Yeah, this front shock tower.
So we're doing 4 screws.
Yep. So, because I accidentally drove it without the body on, that's a big mistake.
You learn the hard way.
Yeah.
Exhaust is aluminum, so it's really hot.
Yeah, aluminum exhaust. So you can hear that. Yeah, 2.4 gigahertz, like everything else.
1/8 scale.
Good power. It's super fun to go off jumps. It's not for racing, of course, or anything, because it's really slow. But when you get it going, it's really fast. Oh yeah, this thing. See this thing right here? There's one on the back that's supposed to go right here, but it came off. So like, the only problem I have with this is like screws like coming off. It's weird. Like the screw that's supposed to go in right here came out. This shock, I have no idea how it broke. Nothing's broken, it just popped off. And right here, all 4 screws just stripped out. So yeah. Not really that tight or something, I don't know.
Get higher quality screws.
Yeah, you can always upgrade. Like the body style is pretty sick. It kind of, when you first get it, the body like always gets caught on here, so I cut it a little. I cut it right there and on the other side.